What's critical is when we cut the foam is that you set the depth of the blade, so you've got about a 5mm clearance before it hits the aluminium. So now you've got your flood protect internal wall lining. It's a conductive system. So what's critical is that we put this little internal angle to connector in, and that connects this panel to this panel. What's critical here is that there's no interference, if you like, or surface matter between this piece of steel and this one. So you scrape away all your primer or your paint, so you get a nice good connection. And this is one you'd use in an inline situation. Unlike alternatives that you might find, such as villaboard or plasterboard, when the floodwater subsides, these walls don't delaminate, they don't come off in a soggy mess. The insulation is preserved. The insulation itself is a closed cell nature, which means the water's it doesn't penetrate. So after the flood, you can remove this, you can wash it, and you can reinstall it. All you do is you number which one so you know where it goes. And in removing it, you're able to dry out the house, dry out the wall cavity, and as I say, get families back in their home sooner.